Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question 5 power x plus 1 equals to 4 power x plus 2, and it's supposed to find the value of x. Let's provide a solution very quickly, and here we have to copy what we have. We have 5 power x plus 1 equals to 4 power x plus 2. And of course, this is what we have right here. So we have to say we have 5 power x times here we have 5 power 1, and this is equals to 4 power x times 4 squared. Right, so here we have to divide 5, and here we have to divide so that this and this will be cancelled to get 5 power x equals to 4 power x times 16 over 5. And here we have to divide 4 power x again, and here have to divide 4 power x, so we should get 5 over 4, then power x equals to 16 over 5. If you are seeing us, we have exponential equation that we have. That's why we're going to apply logarithm on both sides to get logarithm of 5 over 4 power x equals to, here we have logarithm of 16 over 5. And of course, this is x logarithm of 5 over 4, which equals to logarithm of here 16 over 5, and this can be written as here x only will be logarithm of 16 over 5, then divided by logarithm of here 5 over 4. Right, then here x will be logarithm of 16 minus logarithm of 5, right, over logarithm here of 5 minus logarithm of 4, and this is our solution right here. And of course, here you can check whatever you want to check, but this is our solution. So our x can be approximately b equals to 5.213. This is approximation where we have right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.